Their express lifts have been modernised by Schindler. I mean, G-E-C. So the car park goes in half floors, you see. So this feels weird because the alphabet is going up, but the lift's actually going down. I haven't been to this car park since I first filmed the lifts. So they're old express lifts that did have Schindler M series buttons in them, but now Dewhurst have had another modernisation. The indicator's not working on that one. This one, original express indicator outside. So I think A is the highest we can go, just the car park floors. Here we are at A, and the lifts have been modernised by OTIS. And we can go back down to M. So there's the Schindler logo. It's where the old indicator used to be. Feels weird that the letters are counting up, but we're actually moving down. Square Dewhurst as well. There it goes, and that's it.